Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, unlock the device and make sure you know the passcode or can use Touch ID. Once done, open the Photos app and tap Albums, then find the Hidden album. This is where hidden items live. Make sure iOS is reasonably current so menus match these steps. Now, scan the hidden album to identify the items you want visible again. Act deliberately. You will manually unhide each item or select multiple to restore visibility in Photos. You now perform the middle steps. Select one or more photos, tap the share icon and choose Unhide to restore them to library view. Next, open Settings, scroll to Photos and locate UseFace/Touch ID. Toggle it off so the hidden album no longer requires biometric access. If iOS prompts for a passcode to change this, enter it. This is the security step. Making both changes removes the hidden state and the biometric lock, ensuring items are accessible. Finish by confirming your photos reappear in the library and that the hidden album no longer prompts for Touch ID. If you don't see the change right away, force close Photos or restart the device to refresh settings. Make sure screen time or any device management profiles aren't enforcing the hidden album lock. If they are, you'll need to adjust those restrictions or contact the administrator. If a passcode prompt repeats unexpectedly, double-check the passcode and try toggling the setting again after a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.